Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
I told the Honorable the job was awarded when your son was Commissioner of Wars. Now listen, it's important for you to hear. Is it not correct? It's important for you to hear. It was awarded to the tune of 3.1 billion naira. The company collected 2 billion naira, and the company ran away from the site. Amadabo of Opobo, go and ask your son, who is that company that collected 2 billion naira and refused to do Queenstown Shore protection? When you ask and you come back to me and we know the owner of that company, then we will now know what to do. But for now, you have to find out. Owoyewe company, who get that company? Who get that? You must, because every time you hear this, you hear that, you must find out who is the owner of the company that collected 2 billion naira and allow the Queenstown community to suffer. Because it's important to know. I don't know how, as a public officer in my community, and I'm in charge, just like as a governor of the state, and I will bring project to my community, and that project will not see the light of the day. I cannot do that. I cannot. What makes me a happy man, what makes me to carry my shoulders high, is to say I'm from my African community and I have adopted projects and the projects are completed. And not me to collect the money and allow the project to suffer. He came at the Equinu. He came there quick. He came there quick. Came there quick. So it's important for all of you to ask. When you finish asking, you come back. The Honorable, you have made a lot of requests, plenty requests. But if I give you everything, me, which one I will I take? I will not give you everything now. You know, but what is important of all the requests you made, and knowing the value of land here, I will make sure I will reclaim more lands for you. Now we have done road to this place. Let them open their mouth again and talk. You know, the only way you can shut people up is provide the dividends of democracy, not excuses. See what PDP have done. What would they tell you again they will do for you? Those people, those bogey people. What will they tell people again? Tell them what if they come to Opobo now? Opobo Nkoro. What would they tell you? They will do road? Which road? You're already driving by road. We have awarded from Bori to Kono. We have awarded from Bori to. So when you are driving for certain one, now it will be start dualize. Then you turn by your right. Then you are coming to Opobo. How about? You come in the night, anytime. That's what like, and I want to thank you. Look at the kind of performance. Shows you have culture. I must tell you, you have culture. The only thing I disagree with the Honorable is saying, you know, I kill the fish, my brother. What was wrong? What was really wrong? When I talk, say, Honorable say, I kill them. Now, who they will kick fish again for high roads? See, they can't dance when we're young boys. They get straight again to go to that place. So, but our special guest of honor, at least you can see we have fish. And luckily this fish is for you. Because me, I don't chop fish tire. Every day fish. You will not get fish, now cow. We'll give you good chop. Don't So you can balance that. So that's why me too. I'm chopping car because I'm tired of fish. Let me also chop small car. You to carry fish and go and chop. It's important. That's how this country is supposed to be. We must work together. We must live together for the interest of all of us, and that is key. So PDP is the hope for this country, and I have said I don't give excuses. PDP does not give any excuse. If we make a promise, we must fulfill that promise. It is not by going to welcome people to join you. Provide the dividend of democracy. Provide the dividend of democracy. Today, Opobo people, even when we leave, you'll be jubilating, drinking, eating, because who does not like good in life? Who does not? It's only those who are not here that they are having back belly for themselves. If you have problem, and it's your business. If you want to give yourself high blood pressure, gain one, we will tell them about to provide land where they will bury you. Have no business. So we have done it, and it is in support. All of you supported it. If not, it would not have been possible. It is not impossible. And so, as I'm going back today, I will be smiling, I'll be jubilating, I'll be jumping from one place to the other. I say, to God be the glory. It has been done, and it has been done.